Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at SMT Nuremberg and I'm speaking with Ad from Dima.
Yep.
Ad, thanks for stopping by. Start by talking about the show and more specifically what you're showing and promoting here.
Well, we are showing the both divisions which are important for the electronic industry. This is the surface mount technology division where we do our medium-sized pick and place machines, and our division dispense technology.
Okay.
Dispense technology, there we offer actually machines, a complete line for low and higher volume.
Okay, and I know at Productronica last November you had a launch of a new product.
Yep.
I guess that's rolled out, that's with customers now. How's that doing in the market?
We are dispensing since 1989. Started with some all kind of various dispense jobs, but 6 years ago we decided to go into conformal coating. Designed a range of machines for that, and we were extremely successful with that. Within no time we were seen as a trendsetter in the conformal coating industry.
Okay.
Achieved nicely, but as you know, in the electronic industry things are changing fast. So we saw more need for speed, and therefore on the Productronica we introduced a new line of machines, the Elite series, where we have the speed and accuracy combined together.
Okay, and the combination of having the dispensing and the placement machines, are they on a common platform, and do the two technologies support each other?
No, we have some synergy in parts we use in both machines, but since we wanted to focus on both products, we separated everything, made separate divisions for that, separate people responsible. Because, you know, we want to be recognized as a dispensing company. We are extremely good in conformal coating, and we didn't want to do that under the name of SMT placement systems.
Yeah. So you needed to differentiate between them. And in terms of dispensing, what are we seeing as challenges for your technology, and what's driving your roadmap moving forward?
What we see is more and more important is the process control. First of all, you need the people to support the machines that you are installing. Customers, for a lot of customers, conformal coating and dispensing is new, and it's a little bit tricky for them. They do not know what's coming out of the syringe or the valve when they put something in. So we have an international team of experts which is located over the world to support our customers who have the process knowledge and to have it going. What we also did in the last few years, we designed a lot of tools in our machines and options to keep the process under control and to exactly monitor what we are doing, and if we are not doing it exactly the way we should be doing it, to correct it. And that all automatically. And that's what we see more and more and more.
The desire for automation.
Yeah, but also the desire for traceability and control of the process. If you look 6-7 years ago, when you could spray a board, that was fine. Now these days people want to know from each board is the right amount of coating material on there.
And which coating material, which batch of material.
Well,
You have to trace the whole thing. I was talking to a couple of the AOI guys here, and they said very much their products have moved from measurement to optimization. People want the data, but actually they want to know what they can do with the data, how that can improve their lines, improve their efficiency. And you mentioned speed. Are these products that are now operating in high-speed production lines, and is that something that's really pushing you along? Yeah,
but what we saw is about, let's say, 6-7 years ago, conformal coating was a niche market. Only for very special products they would put a conformal coating on. Now these days, more and more electronics are coated. In a car, almost everything is coated. So boards are designed to be coated. You don't have to force yourself in all kind of angles. But also these run in high numbers, so in the production lines you really have to have machines that are up to speed,
fast, efficient,
putting out the boards.
And you can't stop the line?
Nope.
Ever? Nope. Even to refill? All that
No,
has to be done
that's all automatic changeover of material supplies and everything.
Okay, and you mentioned the automotive sector. Is it really the high rel market that's driving, high reliability market that's driving the coating industry, or is it now kind of across the board in consumer products as well?
Also already the consumer products. It's you see, if you look at 25 years ago, you had a big pitch on the board with a lot of space between the tracks. Everything gets more narrow. Even the cheap consumer electronics are designed so that they use the minimum of energy.
Right.
This means the currents which are going over the board are extremely low and the pitch is very small.
Yeah.
Now, the smallest pollution on such a board
Yeah.
makes the electronic circuit do other things as where they are designed for.
Yeah.
And simply by putting a protective layer over that, it becomes much more stable.
Yeah.
So where we first saw that it was going into the military industry and in aerospace and all those kind of things, we now see that it also goes into actually every automotive manufacturer is coating his boards, but also even toys and telephones and
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah, those kind of products. And last question, the show. How's the show been? My sense is it hasn't been as vibrant as perhaps it was last year. I know the market's maybe a little bit softer.
I don't dare to say that the show is bad,
No.
but it's certainly different than other years what we are used to. We have had quite a lot of very good contacts, but still slower as other years.
Yeah, and maybe a few less on the international side. Maybe more predominantly German, do you think? Or have you seen Eastern Europeans?
The people from outside of Germany are not there like they used to be.
I mean, maybe it's a bit of fatigue. We've just come back from Shanghai and we were in the US a couple of months ago, so there are a lot of shows, a lot of opportunities.
Yeah, and then don't forget it's only 5 months ago that we had
we were in Munich, yeah.
So a lot of people still think, okay, it's enough for now.
Yeah. Okay, well, Ed, thanks for joining me.
Okay.
Thanks for your time and enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you very much.